Hey, what I want to show you guys is a bunch of really cool products I got sitting right here from Strait. Now, I'm going to show you all about that right after this. All right, what we have is a bunch of cool, basically taping and repairing products from Strait. They recently sent me a whole bunch of stuff to demonstrate to you guys, including corner bead, this Mud Pro for taping on corner bead. But what we're going to talk about today is these sitting right here. Now, I think these are pretty cool. I wouldn't have asked for them if I didn't think they were cool. I'm not getting paid to tell you guys anything. They just gave them to me and that's it. No strings attached. So I'm just going to tell you what I think about them and what they are. So basically what they are is some really heavy duty, basically cut out tapes and we got different ones. I'll go through some, but like this one, you can see it's made for patching around electrical boxes. Now, if you're a taper finisher or you're doing your own, you know you're going to have to tape around electric boxes. And a lot of times you got to do 1 or 2 sides, maybe 3. Well, it might be easier to just do all 4. Plus, this is going to be way tougher than paper tape. I recently did a basement job and I used this product in there and I was very impressed. Now, the reason is if you compare this to paper tape, this is way more rigid. It's not a lot thicker, but it's just way more rigid than paper tape. So one of the problems with taping around electrical boxes, you often run some mud around it if you're doing it by hand, and you lay the paper on there and the backside doesn't even have any mud on it. And even if it does, it often droops back out. You go to coat it, you mash it back in, you break it, the mud falls out. It just doesn't really work that good unless it's a tiny little bit you're trying to tape. With this, you can see you got a lot of room, and this is so stiff that what you do is you put the mud on the backside, then you stick it to the wall, and that way this backside is reinforced with the mud and the strength of this. I'm telling you, this worked really well. I had no sagging, no drooping, none of those issues, and I feel like it's a way better method of taping. Anytime you're taping from drywall over a gap, it's really weak. This fixes that. And it fits exactly every time because it's pre-cut, so it's a pretty handy product. Now, when you buy these, you get a whole pack like this. I'm going to put a link to their website or to these products down in the link in the description right below this video. So if you want to go check any of them out. Now, another way you can do it is this product right here. This is called Wall Patch, and this is a pre-packaged 2-pack. So, you know, this is especially geared towards homeowners or somebody that just occasionally, like maybe you're a painter or a handyman or you just occasionally do drywall repairs. Well, this might be really handy. You might not need this whole stack of these because there's 20 of them in there, and honestly that could last you for years if you're just doing an occasional job. I apologize if my voice goes in and out. I'm still recovering from pneumonia. I aspirated during a colonoscopy last week and was in the hospital. So I still got a lot of crap in my lungs. Now here's option 2. Now I'll show you a close-up picture of this. But you can kind of see here it's got printed shapes on it right there. So what that does is it's kind of hard to see in my light with these studio lights over here, but this is pre-marked with all these different shapes, and you just cut out whatever it is you're trying to fix, and that way it's a one size fits all kind of a patching material. Now I should point out that if you feel this, you can tell it's sanded. It's got a fuzziness to it, and that's going to help the mud stick to it even better. better than paper tape. This is sanded more than paper tape, probably because it's thicker. It's actually kind of a composite material. It's not just thicker paper, and that's one reason it's tougher. So there's product number 2. This one is called crack tape. Well, this isn't for your buddy whose pants fall down a little low. Doesn't fix plumber's crack. You might try it, I don't know. But obviously it's for fixing cracks. So it's basically the same material in a roll form. There's really nothing fancy to it. It's just like joint tape, but made out of this. So it's stronger. These holes are going to allow the mud to go through it from behind and on top. It's going to bond really well and just have more strength. So it should do a better job of resisting re-cracking if you got a trouble area especially. Then we have this one that's called butt tape. You know what, I'm going to put my glasses on. I can read these but barely. So obviously what this is this doesn't go in combination, you know, butt crack and crack tape. Those aren't, you know, double up on your buddy. This is for butt joints, and you'd have to kind of see it, but it's got really thin outer edges here. And then in the middle, it's a thicker material that's really tough, but it's not perforated all the way through. And then it's got these little, let me see if I can show you here. Yeah, my lights start getting out of there, but you can kind of see a little diamond waffle pattern on the edges. And that's the thin area. So it gives you a really tough center section for the butt joint part, and then it tapers out really good so you don't have a harsh edge. And that helps allow you to not have to put on quite so much. It basically says it's a reinforced paper backing, providing strength and rigidity, no pre-filling required. I would still pre-fill just to be on the safe side. Diamond punched paper edging, which that improves the adhesion. It also just installs with regular all-purpose joint compound. It won't fuzz up when you sand it. You can use this in a bazooka, a banjo, and it's 2 times stronger than paper or mesh. So I used a little bit of this. That's a pretty cool product. Actually, I'll show you this. I'm almost out of this. I've been using this for quite a while. A lot of you probably seen this on Lowe's and all that. It's basically just flex bead. This is good for inside angles of any shape. It can be a 45 or 32 3/4. It doesn't matter. You just bend it to the shape that you want, and it kind of holds it. It's also good for the outside of a corner. So same thing, a 90, a 45, whatever you need. Okay, now this is something I haven't got to test yet. This is called roll patch. So the concept with this is, instead of using those patch screens with the aluminum in them and the mesh tape, I've seen those. I've also removed those that people have used. I think they're not a very good product. That aluminum is flexible. It just doesn't have any strength over anything much bigger than that. So this allows you to fix, I think this one is 5.5 inches wide. So if you imagine some overlap, it would maybe do a doorknob. That'd be a good size for a doorknob, maybe a small fist hole. Same concept, you put the mud on the backside, stick it on. It's so rigid, it doesn't buckle and bow. And then when you recoat it, it's stronger than those metal mesh things. Now, if you got a really bigger area, I would overlap this one quite a bit. This is 11 inches. I would overlap at least 3 to 4 inches. So I wouldn't try and span more than 6 to 8 inches at the most. I don't even know if I'd do 8. You'd have to play with it, but I really think this is going to be better for like 6 inches. And I would put quite a bit of hot mud on the back. It's really strong. I'd put some around the opening on the inside, stick that on. Then I think this would work. So really handy stuff to carry around if you have to do much at all. And of course, these cut really easy. Let me show you. Just as a little example, this is just an ordinary pair of scissors. So it cuts pretty easy. You don't need tin snips or anything fancy like that. And hey, this month I want to give thanks to all of my Patreon supporters. You guys have been with me for a long time, some of you for years, and I really appreciate your support. Your support helps me put out more content like this. Thank you so much. Hey, you see these other things popping up here? These are clickable links. If any of those interest you, click on one. I'm sure it'll help you out. And don't forget to check out my drywallcourses.com if you're interested in signing up and getting some discount offers on our soon to be coming out drywall courses. Take care, everybody.